Miaka 80 ya guterefoni mutaratara wa NHIF irawirwo horo tariki 1 mweri wa 10 hindi ya kurugoria mubango mweru wa marihi ma urigitani wa SHA uria wirikanite ni wa gukinyaniria motungata ma urigitani ma gikiro kia iguru uri kimwe gia itugi cia thirikari ya Kenya Kwanza. Thikũ nini thutha wa mubango uyu kurugorio, Akenya matungirwo ni kigiriko thibitari-ini itiganite guothe bururi-ini ni kigagayo kia mitambo kwaga kuruta wira kanekagwa, undu uria wacungiririe Akenya aingi mage na nganja na gutengerio kwa mubango uyu kuona matiakuukirwo uria uraruta wira kanona kwiyandikithia.
She has been diagnosed, the kidneys are failing, the government is there, we are proud of that government. Yeah, tunachivunia hii serikali, but it's not helping, people are dying in the hospitals. Watu wanakufa.
Sasa sijui hapa tutaelekea wapi. Tuendelee kuregister ama tuache. Wengine naleta 600 payment, wengine naleta 850, mwingine ukiregister inaleta 1050. Sasa hapo ndio inaruka. Mtu alikuwa analipa 500, sasa inamleta 600. Na ni mtu ambaye ni mlemavu.
Yes, SHA ni mzuri, lakini wache iwekwe kwa mpangilio yenye na tusaidia. Isaidie wenye wako kwa vio vya juu na isaidie wenye wako kwa vio vya chini.
Ona mubango uyu tehandite wega, ucenjia wa urugamiriri na uria uratabanirwo no tuku uracungiririe uria urari murugamiriri munene wa SHA Elijah Wachira kuheo rutha rwa thiku 90 na Robert Ingasira rihuri ithenya riu. Na thiku nini na hau kabere, ndagitari Timothy Olwenyi uria urari muikariri giti wa SHA areheretio gituro-ini giki na Abdi Mohamed arakihuria. Maya marahanika riri thirikari ugite mubango uyu ni uraruta wira, no kigina kiria giabatie gutereba mubango uyu gitiaheanirwo uria kwagiriire. Kuna urigitani wa gikiro gia thi wabatie kuheo muigana wa ciringi bilioni 50, no thirikari yarekereirie bilioni 4. Kigina gia gutangikira mirimu na mogwati ma hinahi yabataraga muigana wa bilioni 75, no thirikari iheanite bilioni 2. Ona thutha wa Akenya kwirirwo mawega ma mubango uyu kiondorita na aria andike magitinagio gicunje kia 2.75, urigitani wa gikiro gia thi o mundu aririhagirwo ciringi 900 o mwaka, motungata ma kurigitwo maitho o family iririhagirwo ciringi 1000 o mwaka, motungata ma kurigitwo magego o family iririhagirwo ciringi 2000 o mwaka. Na kuona mubango uyu uratwarithio na mbere na uteithio wa mitambo ya kiriu, ciuria cia muigana wa kigina kiria githiururukirie mubango uyu itigitwo itari na anja. Mitambo ya kiriu iria irahuthika ni itemi ria muungano wa kambuni ithatu iria ni hamwe na Safaricom Limited, Apero Limited iria yandikithirio tariki 5 mweri wa 7 mwaka uyu, na oho kambuni ya Convergence Network Solution Limited iria yandikithirio tariki 17 mweri wa 5 mwaka muhituku, kuria murugamiriri wa Safaricom Peter Ndegwa augite kigina giki gibatie gucokio thiini wa miaka 10. Ona Kenya makiria ma milioni 15 meyandikithite na mubango uyu, aingi ao no marathie na mbere na kurikarika mihuko-ini yao kwamukira motungata ma urigitani. Riri President William Ruto athiete na mbere na kuga mubango uyu ni uraruta wira uria kwagiriire.
The reason why we are shifting from NHIF to SHIF is because NHIF is limited. NHIF only captures a small section of our society. It is my intention, as I made a commitment to the public, that every Kenyan must have two things: must have access to healthcare and must have access to health insurance.
The responsibility of universal health coverage. Two successive presidents have attempted, and they didn't quite succeed. That we are taking on this challenge because there are too many Kenyans that die out of illnesses that we can treat. In just 2 months, 11 million Kenyans who previously lacked access to healthcare services are now registered, with the registration process going full steam in every part of Kenya.
Gikaro-ini giki na Minister wa Ugima wa Mwiri Deborah Barasa augite mubango wa SHA ni wihandite wega kuona ati ni uhimbiirwo ni thibitari tanyihiire 13,000 guothe bururi-ini, na thirikari ni ihotorete gutigirira ati mianya iria riho ni thingitwo.
With regards to facilities, first of all we need to acknowledge that there are more than 13,000 facilities that have been contracted, that have been empaneled. These are facilities that have undergone assessment from our Kenya Medical Practitioners and Dentists Council, and from that we are able to contract. So out of the 13,000, we've been able to contract 8,648 within the last 60 days. And we look at when we look at the NHIF contracted, they were 8,999. So we need to also inform you that for the NHIF contracted, they did not undergo assessment. For us, we are ensuring that an assessment is being conducted so that what the facilities we are having are actually facilities that will offer quality services.
Barasa augete mugaru na mutaratara wa NHIF, mubango wa SHA wina utheri wa kwihokeka ni mukenya o wothe, ona thengia wa muingi na atongoria matiganite kuonania nganja ya mubango uyu.
Wakati tunaanza ilikuwa na changamoto kidogo, lakini tumeweza kusaidia nchi, kwa sababu hii ni kitu muhimu sana. Inasaidia wale ambao hawajiwezi, mayatima, wale hawana pesa. Sasa mimi nikiona kuwa inasaidia wale hawajiwezi, naona ni kitu kubwa sana ambayo tunafaa kukaa pamoja, tujadiliane, tushikane mkono na tuone tumeweza kutatua hayo maneno.
Maya magithiaga na mbere, aruti a wira a NHIF manyitirire marana ngundi matekumenya kuria mekurigiriria amu riu maigirirwo ratiri-ini kwa mieri 6 niguo kuhitukira kigerio-ini gia kana ni mabati kurutira SHA wira kana megutigara komishoni-ini ya uruti wira wa muingi PSE no rio tekuiganira eyeherie. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, njitagwo Waithira wa Nduati.
At grassroots level, what